Let me break it down. Oh, Allah gave us faith, let me tell you how. Yeah, Allah shows us ways every time we pray. But do we ever notice all the signs of faith? Let's thank Allah. Thank you for the earth we're in. Let's thank Allah. Thank you for the light you bring. We praise Allah. We pray Allah guides us in the world we're in.
You gave me ears to hear, you gave me hands to feel, you gave me the religion of peace, which is all I need. You gave me patience, you gave me choices, and so I took them, and now I rejoice, saying Allah, Allah. You gave me everything, Allah, Allah. I owe you everything, Allah, Allah. You gifted me with life, Allah, Allah. You bless me every time. When I'm running to the playground, I can feel the breeze on my face, and I'm feeling so grateful. Allah, you gave me faith. When I'm walking to the masjid, oh Allah, forgive me for my mistakes, 'cause I'm feeling so grateful. Allah, you gave me faith. 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 You gave me faith. You gave me faith. Oh Allah, thank you for giving us faith and gifting us with life. When times are hard, we turn to you. When things don't go our way, we should fall and just pray and turn to you. It's never too late to turn to you. You saved me, you saved them, you saved us. You saved me, you saved them, you saved us. Even though the world doesn't feel the same, you give us strength to fight through pain. You give us time to find the day. You show us signs to find a way. Unite us together. United we stand forever. Oh Lord, together. United we stand forever.
Our world is full of colors, let's just share the vibe. And what we can with each other, let's just share the light. Holding hands, let's make it work so we can see how bright. We just stand together from morning to evening night.
You saved me, you saved them, you saved us. You saved me, you saved them, you saved us. Even though the world doesn't feel the same, you give us strength to fight through pain. You give us time to find a day. You show us signs to find a way. Unite us together. United we stand forever. Oh Lord, together. United we stand forever. When times are tough, don't give right up. Allah will be there to pick you up. Just keep on going, we know it's rough. Just know that you are someone He loves. You saved me, you saved them, you saved us. You saved me, you saved them, you saved us. Even though the world doesn't feel the same, you give us strength to find the pain. You give us time to find the day. You show us signs to find a way. Unite us together. United we stand forever. Oh Lord, together. United we stand forever.
Guys, to be truthful, listen, I got a little bit emotional here because looking at this future talent, It is absolutely amazing. Now come on, please put your hands together for the super talented Ikra Primary School. Let's really hear it for them. And I want to go behind the scenes as well, because what they've actually done is not only have they composed the words to this song, they have also created the video content. If you go on YouTube, make sure that you play the videos and share it with your network. They have gone to many outdoor events. They've gone to Coventry Football Club and sung in stadiums as well. And the key message is united we stand and faith gets us through. So please, please, please support these young children. Invest in the future younger generation that this community so badly needs. I want to salute every single one of you. Omar of the Halal Beats, he's their music teacher. Make sure that you please tag him, go on Instagram, and every single parent of Ikra Primary School that has been supporting these absolutely amazing, wonderful, inspirational and beautiful children. Jazakallah khair. Right, guess what? I want a quick selfie with you lot. This is the only time I'm going to do it. My kids